Fumbling around with computer cables can drive you crazy when there's no more cable length. You in the same boat? Then say see you later to RS232 cables and hello beautiful to the new Apollo RS232 Wireless Kit. With a super long transmission length over 3,000 feet, you'll have no more cable fishing in your life and no more running out of cable length. Flexible configuration for multiple devices within the same range means no limitations for your data sharing setup. And the super low power requirement, only 5 volts, gives you the power to have a flexible, customized module and easy to set up data transmission system. Connect your printers, scoreboards, and computers as easily as 1, 2, 3. We provide ongoing support for our plug-and-play products to make sure they're fully working for you and truly making your life easier. Get 50% off retail price and grab your Apollo RS232 Wireless Kit for only $125 today. This incredible deal only lasts until our first batch runs out, and that won't be long, so order now.